Welcome to Checkout Guide. Today I will show you how to set up the checkout process in Shopify. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First go to settings, then click on checkout. Here we can see the customer contact method. We can choose email so that customer can receive order updates. Here now enable recur login before checkout for more security. So the after shipping, the tracking link will be automatically update. It will send to the customer so they can track. So then see the changes. So this is how we set up the checkout settings. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.